Contractions oftentimes give English learners problems, but they're super easy. Check this out. The full form is you will. But then what we do is we take out the W and the I, and then we add an apostrophe. We put the two words together, and it becomes you'll. All right, so this is how we make contractions. Now, how do we pronounce them? That's actually really easy. Check this out. So saying a contraction is just about as easy as it is making it. All you have to do is take out that little chunk that's replaced by the apostrophe. Watch this.
And I think what you will see and are already...
Okay, now let's listen to it again, but in slow motion.
And I think what you will see and are already...
Now let's listen to it again, but I have cut out the part of the word that is removed and replaced with an apostrophe to create a contraction. So let's go back here to that little piece, and we're just going to listen to the piece of the word z that get removed. Listen to this. Okay, so we are doing you will. Remember, we take out the W and the I, so wi, and then we put an apostrophe there, and we put the two words together, and it becomes, instead of you will, it becomes you'll. So let's listen to it now that I've removed out the wi part and see what it sounds like.
And I think what you will see and...
Listen to that. So now the WI is removed, the W sound, and it sounds just like if you were to say you'll. Listen one more time.
And I think what you will see and I think what you will see and are already...
So, if speaking, say contractions. In spoken English, contractions are the default choice. We usually only use the full form for 4 reasons. 1, emphasis. 2, formality. 3, clarity. And 4, when the verb comes at the end of a sentence. In writing, it depends on tone. If it's formal writing, avoid it. If it's informal writing, use freely. And if it is semi-formal writing, use sparingly. So remember, if you are talking, don't say, I am learning English. Say, I'm learning English. I will, I'll.
What are they imagining that I'll just sort of do some...
You will, you'll.
Perhaps you'll be inspired to protect and preserve.
He will, he'll.
And then he'll bring us in.
She will, she'll.
Yeah, she'll love it. She'll absolutely love it.
We will, we'll.
We'll tell you what you can do. And
They will, they'll.
Oftentimes they'll set you up on your back, often with your legs.
I have, I've.
I've got anywhere from 5.
You have, you've.
If you've been in that place where you just felt like you've been grinding and grinding.
He has, he's.
He's getting mad that I'm trying to pet him. Okay, yeah, I'm done.
She has, she's.
I have a baby girl now. She's not thinking in ideas.
We have, we've.
That we've created a tax system that has an
They have, they've.
But they all know that they've got to volunteer to help.
Is not, isn't.
And my experience is that it isn't.
Are not, aren't.
We aren't even really creating. We're
Cannot, can't.
Because if you don't know why, you can't do it again.
Will not, won't.
But you and I probably won't live long enough to enjoy.
Do not, don't.
We usually don't.
Did not, didn't.
Interestingly, that didn't change the landscape.
Now, let's take a look at some less common contractions. You might not see these in a textbook, but you'll hear them all the time in American English. Am not, is not, are not, has not, have not, ain't. Let us, let's. You all, y'all. With all of that being said, start using contractions today so that you sound more natural and more native in English. Thanks for watching. Almost forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English content. I'll see y'all in the next video.